It is a beautiful day here in Los Angeles. Today I checked my mail and I got all my paperwork that I'm able to do now filled out and done. So I have the rest of this week to just look for work and a new place so that I'm no longer in a shelter. Yeah, so this morning I'm going to go quickly use the last of my funds to get a brand new wardrobe, which probably consists of a couple shirts and a new pair of pants. It's now later on in the evening. I'm on my way doing some more job hunting. My last location seemed pretty successful, GameStop. Gonna continue on down 6th Street and see what other restaurants might be hiring. So today might be just as boring as the other day. I had Subway and I walked a lot. Nothing exciting. So every morning I have to make sure I check my mail here, but there's always like a line just to get in, and then checking my mail takes seconds once I'm in. But they don't take people in after 4 o'clock, and that's why I usually check in the morning, but the mail doesn't get there till the afternoon, so I'm usually a day late on my mail every single day. Also, when I was at Target, the only shirts that they had on sale were medium. I'm actually a size small, so this V-neck is like way too V-necky for me. So I'm gonna like throw it into the free wash that they have and hopefully shrink it. Hopefully. You would be surprised how fast I go through bread and peanut butter. Where is it? Peanut butter. It's like I'll have 4 sandwiches a meal. Yeah. Probably not the most healthy thing, but it's filling and it's cheap. So I'm okay with that. In case you didn't know, it's raining out here in Los Angeles. About halfway through my walk, it started just pouring, and so now everything that I own is just sopping wet. My backpack's wet, all my paperwork's wet. I don't know what I'm gonna do.